Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. This has been a long awaited video, and to be honest with you guys, I am so excited to sit down and do this video collaboration. So today I'm going to be reviewing this stunning dress that I have from Parthea, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. If you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. And if you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys a part of the light family that I have here on my channel. This is my first fashion collaboration and I'm really excited about, so let's go ahead and dive in. Let me start off and say that Parthea sent me this dress back in October and I just never got the chance to sit down and film it for you guys. October was a super crazy month for me. I was honestly just focusing on my Halloween videos and having them uploaded as soon as possible. And now I'm here to do a whole bunch of collaborations that a lot of companies took their time to message me and send me some of their amazing products to try. So this is one of them. Parthea is a fashion website that contacted me and sent me one of their most popular dresses, and I do have to say I'm obsessed with this dress. I can't wait to get up and show you this dress. It is one of the beautiful pieces that I own, and I'm just really excited to share it with you guys. Therefore, my makeup, my hair, it's kind of inspired by this dress because it literally gives me like Marilyn Monroe kind of vibes, which I really like, and that's why I kind of went with kind of like a Marilyn Monroe slash pinup inspired look to kind of go with the dress as well. Now I did want to accessorize, but I do have another video that I'm going to be sharing with you guys with some amazing jewelry accessories, so I cannot wait to share that one with you guys. All of the videos that I'm doing for you today are going to be in the description box down below, so don't forget to check out the makeup tutorial and also the jewelry review as well. And now here is the fashion dress review, so let's go ahead and change angles so I can show you this beautiful dress. Welcome to my bedroom. I really hope the light in here is good enough. I also have my ring light that I transport from my makeup room to my bedroom. So this is the dress. This is how it looks like. I feel like it's absolutely stunning. Now with this dress, you can pair it up with any accessories that you want. I actually just have white little pumps with this, but if you have nude pumps or red pumps or even black pumps, will be really cute with this dress. Now I do feel this dress is very summer vibes. It has a mini little slit on the side, which I really like. I paired it up with my Jacquemus purse, which is also white, but again, you can use any color accessories, shoes, purse, whatever it is. You can pair it up with whatever your heart desires. Let me give you guys a more detail on the dress. Two things that I kind of don't like about the dress: the fact that it is see-through, but to be honest, it's what I had in mind in a white dress anyway. Like a white dress always kind of somewhat looks see-through, so you kind of need to be careful with that. So if you're planning to wear an underwear underneath, make sure it is a nude underwear and make sure it's also a thong, so like that it doesn't show as much. In my case, I just put a little white shorts under, so it doesn't really show that much. And the other thing that I wish this dress had is some wiring around the chest area. I wish this part right here had some sort of a wire to it and not just a thicker material. Other than that, this is a beautiful white corset dress that kind of flows. It has like a really nice flow to it, which I really like. The fact that it has a corset kind of vibe here in the back, the little tie line happening right here, I find it very feminine, very elegant, super cute dress. Now it does have a bonish kind of like a look corset happening right here, which is absolutely beautiful. I find it such a high quality, kind of like a bone corset. I really like how it fits and how how it just really holds everything in place. I do have to say that I put this all alone. I had to tie all of that alone. It was a little bit hard, so if you have somebody that can give you a hand wearing the dress and everything, please use them. It will make your life much easier. It has such like a vintage Marilyn Monroe kind of vibe to it, which I absolutely love. I feel like it's such a beautiful dress. I love how it fits. I love how it flows. I just love everything about it. It is so pretty. Here, so this is how the dress look like. Love the corset vibes. I also love the fact that the straps right here are adjustable. It has a zipper right here, right along the side. This one here is in size medium, if you guys are wondering. So the length of the dress, you guys can't see it. I really don't have a better option. So this is how it looks like. It's absolutely stunning. I love the dress. It is absolutely beautiful. I'll make sure to link this dress in the description box down below if you guys are interested to check out this dress, and also check out other fashion pieces that they have as well. Feel free to check it out. I'll also leave my discount code for you guys here on the screen, also in the description box down below. Make sure you check it out, and happy shopping. Thank you so much, Parthea, for contacting me and sending me this beautiful dress. I'm obsessed with it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.